Hello, my name is Tracy Seipel. I'm the CEO of Seipel Group. We're an Australian-based company that's committed to improving bladder control for all Australians and people globally. I have formulated over the years for many different nutraceutical companies, but for the past 25 years I've been committed and focused on research and product development for bladder care and bladder control. It's important for people to be aware that the emotional aspects of poor bladder control are very significant. People with that wetting themselves or having accidents or rushing to the toilet, they don't always want to talk to others about it. Research shows half of people don't tell their doctor or even tell their partner. But you can just have a look at the incontinence pad aisles in your pharmacies to see the number of people that are affected, and that it is quite significant. And even children with bedwetting and child pull-ups. You can see that there is a real issue there and something that needs to be addressed. So that's why at Seipel Group, what we've done for the past 25 years is conducted 15 clinical trials on our products. We've looked at safety, efficacy, mechanism of action, how the product works. We've conducted research in men, women and children, and our gold standard research, our randomized placebo-controlled double-blind trials have shown consistently that our formulations work in men, women and children for incontinence, for urgency, for getting up at night for the bathroom, for rushing for the bathroom, and the whole host of urinary control symptoms. And that's what Seipel Group is committed to. We're committed to delivering products that you can trust because you can rely on the science and you can rely on the decades of research that we've funded and committed to make sure our products work. So bladder control problems can be broad and can vary significantly. So most often when we think of bladder control problems, we might think of going to the toilet often. So if you go to the toilet more than 8 times in a 24-hour period, that means you're going too often. You have frequency. So you could have frequency in the day, or getting up at night for the bathroom more than once means you have night frequency or nocturia. Urgency or rushing for the bathroom can be a really big problem. You know, you get out of the car, you've got the groceries, you get to the door and you're like, oh my goodness, I need to get to the bathroom. That's a sign of overactive bladder or urinary urgency. And then if you don't get there in time, you might have an accident, urgency incontinence, or women post-pregnancy have stress urinary incontinence when stress is placed on the pelvic floor. So with coughing, laughing, jumping. These are all the arrangement of bladder problems that our formulas help with, as well as bedwetting and poor bladder control in children.